Let's add an image in an Excel sheet that fits in the cell and auto-adjust the size of the image with the size of the cell. First of all, click on Insert and select a rectangular shape. Move the cursor to the top left of the cell. Continuously press the Alt key on the keyboard and move your cursor bottom right by clicking on the mouse. The shape automatically fits the cell. Under Shape Format, you will see a Shape Fill option. Click on it and click on Pictures. You can import images either from your local directory or online. For now, I am going to import from online. Here, you can see the image size automatically adjusting the size of the cell. Similarly, you can add any number of images you want. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.